What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the last two things inside the gauge tab. And this is going to be pretty simple because most of it is straight to the point. It's pretty much common sense. So, uh, the last two things I want to go over is keyword messages. Everyone knows what keyword messages is or are. So a keyword message is, as a user messages your fan page, you may want your bot to send them different messages depending on what was typed. With this type of engagement, your bot is able to provide information and answer your subscribers' questions automatically. So the best is pretty simple, straight to the point. For example, if someone comes to a gym page and they don't even go through the bot, they just type drop in, you can have a keyword message set up to reply to them. Or for example, if someone comes to my bot and says trial, I can have a bot respond to them. I don't have a keyword message because I want people to just go through my bot. I want a strict thing to where they go through my bot. If they want to take a trial, the button's right there. If they don't, that's fine. But I don't have any keyword messages in it. But it's best if you're a local business, you get tons of messages, or even if you're an online business and you get tons of messages, if you get at least 10 of the same messages, it's probably best to just set it up so you don't have to continue to reply to each one. So here are the three different options at the bottom. You can have one that contains any, so it basically works with individual words only. So if they type a whole sentence and it has a certain keyword in it, the bot will shoot off a keyword message reply. You have contains all, so if they send, drop in or I want to drop in, the keyword message will respond. Actually, that's the exact match. If they have an exact match, then the keyword message respond. But if it says contain all, if it has all the words in the phrase or whatever, then it will respond. So it's pretty simple, straight to the point. That's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, you can put your keywords down here as well. So, for example, you could put like hello, hi. So you could just easily just put the keywords down here. So it's pretty simple. So I'll see you guys in the next video where we go over general messages.